Minasan, konnichiwa, o genki desu ka? How are you doing? Today, we're going to study how to introduce yourself in Japanese. When we meet someone, we usually do a short self-introduction, right? Saying our name and where we are from, what country we are from. In Japan, when we meet someone and manage to introduce ourselves in Japanese, we are showing them a certain respect for Japanese people and their culture. Before explaining how we introduce ourselves in Japanese, I'll introduce you to a small vocabulary of words that I'll use throughout the video. So, the first one, watashi. Watashi means I, watashi. The next one, Burajirujin. Burajirujin. Brazilian, Burajirujin. Third one, Italiajin. Italiajin. Italian, Italiajin. Now, another nationality, Americajin. Americajin. American, Americajin. Next one, Furansujin. Furansujin. French. Furansujin, a French person. And the last one, Nihonjin. Nihonjin means Japanese, a Japanese person. Nihonjin. As in any other language, when we introduce ourselves, we usually say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in Japanese is hajimemashite. 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 Along with this expression, it is also very common to say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of the day. Of course, when you introduce yourself, you can say hi, hello, which is konnichiwa in Japanese. So, good morning Japanese is ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good afternoon. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa also means hi, hello. Konnichiwa. And good evening. Konbanwa. 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 And after that, we usually say our names. In my case, it would be like this. Watashi wa Lukasu desu. Watashi wa Lukasu desu. I am Lucas. Watashi wa Lukasu desu. Let's practice one more. How do you say in Japanese? I am Tanaka. It would be like this. Watashi wa Tanaka desu. Watashi wa Tanaka desu. I am Tanaka. Between watashi wa and this, you say your name. For example, if your name is Alice, saying your name would be like this. Watashi wa Arisu desu. Watashi wa Arisu, your name, Arisu desu. I am Alice. Watashi wa Arisu desu. After our name, as we are foreigners, it is very common to say our nationality, our country. For example, if you want to say, I'm Italian, you can say like this. Watashi wa Italiajin desu. Watashi wa Italiajin desu. Watashi wa Italiajin desu. I'm American. Watashi wa Americajin desu. Watashi wa Americajin desu. I'm American. Another example, I'm Japanese. Watashi wa, I am Japanese, Nihonjin desu. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. I am Japanese. And we end our self-introduction with the expression Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. This is an expression we use in many different contexts. When we say Yoroshiku onegai shimasu in our self-introduction, it can mean it is a great pleasure. I'm counting on you for a certain thing, a certain action we are gonna do together. Using this expression, it means the beginning of a good relationship between me and another person. That's why yoroshiku onegaishimasu, it is an important expression. So, a complete self-introduction would be like this. Konnichiwa. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Lucas desu. Watashi wa Burajiru-jin desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. One more time. Konnichiwa means good afternoon or hi, hello. Hajimemashite, nice to meet you. Watashi wa Lucas desu. I am Lucas. Watashi wa Burajiru-jin desu. I am Brazilian. And the last part, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Dou deshita ka? How was it? If you want to learn more things related to Japanese language, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!